Good morning, students. Today is 24th August 2020 and marvelous Monday. And as you know that we have started our revision and reinforcement because we are going to conduct our online first term examination in the first week of September. In this regard, we are practicing, we are recalling and revising every day. And in our last video lesson, we practiced parts of speech, interjections, and we practiced some of the punctuation marks, right? And today we are going to revise some grammar and vocabulary topic. We will practice comparative and superlative adverbs along with feminine and masculine genders and prepositions along with abbreviations. So let's begin today's practice and reinforcement. First of all, let's recall comparative and superlative adverbs. We did that on our textbook page number, on textbook page number 33. You see, this is the textbook page number 33, and we discussed adverbs. We learned comparative and superlative adverbs here. This one is the table you see right now. We completed this one quickly, fortunately, hastily, and pleasantly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. This one is the comparative adverb. Most quickly is superlative adverb. And right now we are going to revise these adverbs. Hard, high, early, late. Hard, harder, hardest. Harder is the comparative and hardest is superlative adverb. High, higher, highest. Early, earlier, earliest. Late, later, latest. Alright, these are adverbs, these are comparative adverbs, and these are superlative adverbs. Adverbs are the words which tell us more about verb. They tell us how the action has been done. Alright, now let's turn the page. Irregular adverbs. These are irregular adverbs, right? The verbs, these are adverbs, and these are comparative adverbs, and this one column is of the superlative adverbs. Badly, worse, worst. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Right? Irregular adverbs are those adverbs जो अपना comparative and superlative जो इनकी degree है वो regular verbs की तरह नहीं बनाते. For example, you see hard, harder, hardest. Regular adverbs अपना comparative and superlative form बनाते हैं by adding er and est. But irregular adverbs ऐसा नहीं करते. Irregular adverbs का comparative and superlative जो form है that is different. यहाँ पे er और est add नहीं होता. This is different. Badly, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. So these are the irregular adverbs. We practice that in this one, in these one sentence as well. हमने इसको workbook पे भी practice किया था adverbs को. You see? Let me show you. Let's recall. हमने इसको अपने workbook page number 20 पे भी adverbs को practice किया था. So we did a lot of practice with adverbs. Now we are going to practice this one again. Let's recall. Hard, harder, hardest. Early, earlier, earliest. High, higher, highest. Late, later, latest. Much, more, most. Much is the, you see, much is the irregular adverb, right? These are the adverbs, and this one column offers comparative adverbs, and these are superlative adverbs. You were given the adverb and you have to write down the comparative and superlative adverb, right? That's how you will complete the table. Next we have feminine genders. You are given with the masculine genders and you are supposed to write down their feminine genders. So let's take a look at these examples. Host, wizard, bride, hen, horse, fox, right? So now we are going to attempt these: hostess, witch, cock, mare and vixen. We did this on workbook page number. Alright, let's take out this one page. Yes, workbook page number 13. You see, we practiced this one on workbook page number 13. Gender: boy, girl, son, daughter, bull, cow, sir, madam. So these are the male, masculine gender, and these are the females, that is feminine gender, right? We call this type of grouping, you see, boy, girl, son, daughter, bull, cow, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Genders कहते हैं. और यहाँ पे male genders हैं, masculine, and these are the feminine gender. We practice that in our workbook as well. And afterwards, we are going to practice prepositions, right? Prepositions are the words which you can say which tells us the position of a noun. And there are lots of examples of preposition. For example, on, in, at, under, by, of, in, behind, next to. And we practice preposition in our workbook, and that was on workbook page number 19. You see, preposition. This was done on 8th July 2020. Fill in the blanks with on, to, for, by, of, in. Right, so these are the prepositions, and we attempted that in our workbook. So let's recall prepositions. Let's take a closer look. Upset dash the incident. Sorry dash being late. Sorry for being late. Upset by the incident. Occurred to me. Insisted on doing it. Accused of crime, succeeded in escaping. So these are the phrases, and you have to fill up the blanks by using the suitable preposition: by, for, to, on, off, in. Alright, and now let's recall some of the abbreviations. We did abbreviation on textbook page number 13. Right, this is textbook page number 13. These are the abbreviations, and we did that on Wednesday, 22nd April. So what are the abbreviations? Abbreviations are basically the short form, and it's a short form of writing something. Usually only the important words we have, and we take their initial letters in the abbreviations. हम उनके initial letters को, उनके beginning letters को हम ले लेते हैं abbreviation बनाने के लिए. So abbreviation is the short form, and we write abbreviation by using the initial letters, and mostly we use capital letters. So we did that on our textbook page number 13. Master of Science, Member of Parliament, School Leaving Certificate, Trade Union, Southeast, His or Her Majesty, Master of Arts, Doctor of Medicine, Doctor of Philosophy, Bachelor of Education. So these are the abbreviations, and these are the different abbreviations, and we attempted that in our notebook as well. Now we are going to revise that, and let's see how can we do that. Let's take a closer look. Let's read the statement first. Write down abbreviations for the following: His or Her Majesty. So as you know that we take initials. हम in words का initial लेते हैं, beginning letter लेते हैं, his or he, her. We take H capital and then majesty M capital. Southeast we take S and E. So these are the abbreviations. So we abbreviated Southeast by SE, right? Trade Union, we abbreviated Trade Union by TU, capital T and capital U. Master of Arts, MA. Member of Parliament, we take initial of member M and initial of Parliament P. Initial means जो उसका beginning letter है, हम उससे abbreviation write करते हैं. We abbreviate the given words by taking the initials. हम initials के साथ इसको abbreviate करते हैं. Alright, so that's how we abbreviate that. Alright children, let me tell you once again that this one worksheet is uploaded in the folder of Smart School app. I hope that आप वहाँ पे इसको upload हमने जो किया हुआ है आप इसको download करेंगे, and after downloading you have to learn it and you have to practice this. You can practice this one worksheet in your rough registers or in notebooks. आपने इसको learn करना है and practice करना है. Thank you very much for joining us. I'll see you tomorrow in next lesson. Look after yourself.